Safety is the most crucial requirement for autonomous vehicles. The automated driving system must handle challenging road conditions and reduce the potential risks caused by component failures. Cyber-physical scenario-based testing serves as the first safety measure for autonomous vehicles. Before deploying on public roads, cyber-physical technology provides high-fidelity scenarios to verify the functionality and safety of autonomous vehicles. Once on the road, the second safety measure is real-time diagnostic safety monitoring, which continuously confirms the vehicle's software and hardware status. If any abnormalities occur, immediate actions are taken to guide the autonomous vehicle to decelerate and stop safely. We have introduced the automated driving system into the logistics industry, implementing the first 35-ton autonomous truck that operates on Australian highways. Safe autonomous vehicles can also improve Taiwan's logistics efficiency and on-time performance by more than 15%.